comment, like, and subscribe right
It's going to
now.
be a pretty nice day today. Daytime highs hit about 70 degrees. We topped out at 69. The average at 59, so we're 10 degrees above that. And we're going to continue to see numbers, at least for the next day, remain above the seasonal high. Now, moving forward, especially by the end of this weekend, it's going to feel a little different than where we have been. It's going to feel much cooler. And then we could be factoring in maybe a few wet snowflakes, too. So we'll get into that. But for right now, it feels so nice out there. We're approaching 70 degrees in the city at 69, 76 degrees in Battle Creek right now, 77 in Ludington, 73 up near Mount Pleasant. Now, areas west are really seeing a very active Friday afternoon. There's several severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings, and this is where the bullseye of the severe weather is going to be as we head through the next couple of hours. So Wisconsin into Iowa, Illinois, extending all the way down into Missouri. That's where we have several tornado warnings. We have severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado watches, and severe thunderstorm watches, so very active further west. But that's where the bullseye of severe weather was forecasted to be, and it's going to continue to remain in that direction. Now, overnight, that same system is going to track our way, and we could see a few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder coming out of this. We're not anticipating any severe weather early tomorrow morning. This is by 5 a.m. We're looking at that line, a very weak line of showers and a clap of thunder. Then late morning, we'll see light showers. That should be the last of the rain we see, at least on Saturday. That'll give way to a lot of sunshine. And then Sunday, potentially looking at a light wintry mix. There could be some lighter snow showers up near Port Huron, areas north up into the Thumb, some mixing from the city and points southward. It is going to be cold enough to actually support some of that stuff. So that just shows you we're in store for a little bit of a snap and colder temperatures. Now, in terms of the rain we see tomorrow morning, anywhere between 1/4 of an inch. There could be a few isolated higher amounts, but a lot of us really not picking up a substantial amount. Temperatures as we head through the rest of tonight will be falling through the 50s. By 1 o'clock in the morning, we're in the upper 50s. Late shower, late storm chance. That's especially early tomorrow morning. Mid-60s tomorrow, a little breezy. We struggle to make it, I think, to 50 degrees on Sunday. Then Monday, we're in the low 50s. Now, luckily, we do really start to dry out, which is great news. I know a lot of us here across the state really need some of that drier weather, and we're going to get it. Daytime highs will be cool Sunday, Monday. We see a nice rebound, though, as we head through the later part of next week with highs reaching